Obaten bi abehye nsem was social media so ama esa manfo ho eduro mo pa na nka nim se ko ba de yen yasetine mu no ba de ofere no kakra se ne kokuo mu ensem de enkonfan on time fan to be mu sama esa manfo ente ho ensem na wo hwe wo ba ya meka no asemi te no wosifa aka na asem na ho fama utimu say yes ono aka se no nim no wonim do ye enti no kan disa na in some na work can on the issue of LGBTQI lesbians, gays, natures, transgenders, relationships in and all can one ensem na by you create wa lesbian ben and it will die lesbian or the fa a mema na mema move no na there's a need so a mema no there's one your more on community teddy bear toys and kola jambi omodibi eda na bididi agrono na so no later on na teddy bear no have affair na tese ne man na sabe on no wo beto so no nti ejina so ejai no enwechi no say we have sexual encounter ponko oni nkomo so wo ntia be mafoforo no na have sexual encounter say that bi enye be mafoforo bi ono na simumba ne san ana wodano Asia wo be my recently kwapa ne bani timinya kudo ban so ebra na so onya their friend withdraw yibi as na nka opese won go back to lesbianism bi ma ne bani hu ne post our Instagram say that the on place ma ne ma me enko back nti wodano wa ba for no so achepe ne won ne ba no avia fa wo share ewo abonte so ne for yenko video yi embra ansana no me kai mo say to ko bi so ya say boy chidom e ma ye die chumete abramo o charge about center ya be e wo so en fa say ni sifate dia kodro e bia bomodia na fatwa en wo wo mo number say o majegu aswa na say bo me check kwan e wo dan so mai akra ha anytime ale wo not original moment me embo bi so for yenko tie ma mi a wo che ne kukuo mu ensem e wo bontin so ne nsem wo de be to join na ye ba e chense media so
some time ago when I visit him, he was renting a 2-bedroom apartment. So when I visit him, sometimes he sleep in the other room, I sleep in the other bedroom. But one night I did something and he caught me, and that was the end of the relationship. Yeah, I was masturbating with a teddy bear.
You were masturbating with a teddy bear. How did you use the teddy bear to masturbate?
Oh, I don't know. It's a teddy bear.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
I was using it to insert mine. And I was so much in love with what I was doing that I didn't even hear when he was entering in my room.
So he came in and he saw
the
teddy bear.
He stood there and was looking at me. Oh, wow. So this is what you are doing. Whilst I'm here. You don't open up for me. Yeah. And after I came out of lesbianism from 2018, when my late dad died, I decided to have a change of mind. I decided to move on with a guy. I didn't want any man to, treat me anyhow. So when I meet you and within that 3 months, you are bothering me with sex, I'll know that, I'll call you, but for the first 3 months, I'm not expecting you to demand sex from me. No.
Okay. So you use.
So I gave myself up to 3 months. You know how within 3 months, if you don't demand sex from me, then it means you're a guy. Okay. But the one that will be using sex to pressure you,
you don't like it.
He's not being real.
So you left him, or he left you after?
He left me. He said,
teddy bear to masturbate.
I said I'm choosing the teddy bear over him, so I have to.
Right. But have you had it with anyone recently? What you mentioned is 2018. Like recently.
Recently, yeah. I had it with my own son.
You had sex with your own son?
Own son, yeah.
How did it happen?
Sometimes I post on my WhatsApp status that I feel like I miss my ex-girls. I feel like going back to any of them to, have sex with them. And say, mommy, I'll use me as a vibrator. I have the real vibrator. I say, hey, wow. And what is your real vibrator? Is that the natural vibrator? That is the penis. Right. And that was when I realized that my son is not that old, but he has a big.
He has a big dick.
Yeah.
So how long was that session?
It was just once, but he has been calling me and telling me that, mommy, I've missed you, so anytime you need me, I can come and make you happy.
You can come and make. Did you enjoy it?
Oh yeah, I did enjoy it.
You did enjoy it.
Yeah.
You missed, that feeling.
But he's my son, so I can't continue.
You can't continue having sex with him. But did you come? Was he able to do it to the point where?
Oh, he was able to satisfy me.
He was able to satisfy.
But he's my son, so.
But you can't continue having sex with him.
But anytime I feel like having sex, then I invite him.
He will have sex with you.
Yeah.
Is it something?
For now that there's no man in my life. Yeah, my son is there to make me happy. He's not my real son, my school son.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is one of the reasons I share a baby me bedding pass say the bedja to say yes LGBTQIA MFI Timisa say Nyama air cocoso a woman and I said Nyama omo water community we mo no Nyama from your mamma money a titty me who say a too strange, too out of the ordinary muso kesi atese yem person ke baba ya sitire ma de amane afofo ebehwe because ensem bi say what to asum kra na ahoseku ohun yiro a obi say say di anko atinka di atinka be nko enti na tese wo ba onu ane ba ne kon be do na obepene say ne ba no ne enka endi komo bi say atese wo ne ba no ebehye mu awo mpemu agro one niam no say abeyi amanfo bi so akira wo mo editum say lifestyle enipa bi sa na wo tente makwan mani nyemu ye hye ye wo ban se no de ne nsam no toto ho se na wo kana ebetimi ababa se bibiri wo de yemfa ye man Ghana cramp onye example se Ghana ye memu se ne ye mamrete ye ntia se sifate no sade we betimi ye mmra se ye ma wo kwan se wo bia betimi aye bi awo ye sitem na no crampo no amanfo bi betimi nyomo akodo mo do mo beji mu crampo se wo mo aye bi awo man Ghana mo ana ene ne eye nsema medi ejama no ye bi amo fansume awo ye comment section e bi mo share video we on all the social media platforms send video yi ma wadofo bi bia obe bia no so ntimi enwu bi na ho sem bia no so ntimi fan tuja na we yes na wo follow ye ewo Instagram, Twitter so @tumagh_ Facebook tumagh and I'm also enemy na ahanam dey 7 ABC makra mu ni ababai.